What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janelle Lynette, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a SHEIN vacation haul. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Me doing a clothing haul, but with my vacation clothes. I'm in Florida right now. If you haven't yet checked out my prep with me vlog, go watch that now. And you guys are just gonna be seeing all the outfits and pieces that I have got for this vacation. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So all of my stuff came in this big box. You almost see it. In this big box, I got my nephew's 2 outfits, so you guys will be seeing those in the vlog. But yeah, this is the first time ever my stuff have came in a box.
Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
So I actually did like this dress. I just didn't like the back cut. Like, something about it is just a little weird.
For the real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's
Love, love, love these shoes. You're gonna be seeing them more close up in a minute.
what I want to
I've been traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you.
Alright, y'all, I did not know this bag was going to be this small, but it's still cute.
Feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river.
Although I did buy this outfit for a family vacation, it was see-through, so it did not give that. So I'm going to be saving this for Miami.
Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you done put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on and all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossip and messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world.
This is another one where I just need to lose a little more weight, and I am saving this one for Miami as well.
Over the phone, drop it. Get more vulnerable how you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
exactly what it is. Don't say it cause you know that's why I want to hear.
They say time here. This boy Anthony right here, he said, listen, I'm from the 6, we got a whole lot of.
This is one I cannot wait for, but when I put this on, I was so disappointed because the bottoms are see-through, very.
You got a whole lot of tricks and I want to see what you do. Say that you been noticing Yankees. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time.
Absolutely love this bathing suit on me. The color is A1. Go get it.
therapist. She can't see her life without me, she's so plastic. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change.